Hello friends, here I am to share amazing time saver tips for puri making. These tips will help you to make puri round, perfect and faster. You will definitely enjoy puri making with these smart tricks. Check my video for oil-free puris without deep frying. If you notice, first challenge is to make same sized balls. Try this tip by taking little dough. Roll into cylindrical shape. Stretch to make it easier. Cut into equal parts. And then make balls. This way all puris will be of same size. Usually we use either puri press or rolling pin for making round puris. The usual way of puri pressing is we keep polythene inside. So here is the next biggest time taking thing. Most of the time goes off in setting up polythene before pressing puri. Also in separating polythene and carefully taking puri out each time. Instead try this tip. Try wrapping puri press with Ziploc covers on both sides, top and bottom. This way it gets really very easy to use the puri press for every puri. Absolutely a big time saver. No more struggling with polythene and puri. If you don't have Ziploc covers, use normal polythene covers. Make sure to tie them up tight. Otherwise, this is how it looks. As you see, these Ziploc covers are little big. Thus leaves the air. Pops out cover and puri each time, which in turn takes little time to set it back. You can as well try round cutters. Roll the dough into wide oval shape. Cut rounds with cutter. This is with another cutter from Gujia or empanadas maker set. Take the extras out and use it again. If you don't have puri press, you can try rolling with rolling pin. If you can roll puris round, that's well and good. Otherwise, try these tips. Roll like a roti. It doesn't need to be perfect round. Cut with a round cutter or use the ball. You will get round puris. Hope you like my puri making ideas to save time. See you again with many more tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.